So, how do you go about financing the major purchases in life? Often you end up in the borrower position, financing the things that you need. You want it now or you need it now. This is common when you haven't been able to consistently save up to pay cash for life's essentials. Let's take a look. Here you can see our borrower line. We start at zero, and in this example, we go below zero. Let's say we're purchasing a car. The reality is this could be any major purchase in your life. Cars, equipment, education, vacation, housing, renovation, the list goes on and on. This also assumes, as the borrower, that you're able to get money from someone else's bank. That means, of course, you are a good borrower. You have a solid credit score, and you jump through all the hoops necessary just to access capital from someone else's pile. Notice the red section of our graph. It shows the effective cost of interest, the cost of borrowing, just so you can get these things taken care of. In other words, you start below the zero line because you need it now or you want it now, and then you work your way back up as you pay it back just to get back to zero. You're never able to set anything aside. You're always walking away from your capital and giving it to someone else's bank. The more you need their money, the harder it often becomes. With changing lending rules and uncertain economic times, your ability to access cash through loans and lines of credit can become much more difficult. The result is the same. You start below zero and you only ever get back to zero. Someone else, the lender, earns all of the interest and all of the profits. You can and should learn how to become your own banker and take more control over your future financial decisions. If you're the borrower, you always owe someone else who created capital for the purpose of lending. In other words, every loan you have is someone else's asset. Next up, in video 2 of this 4-part series, you'll learn how being the saver and paying cash for everything can still leave you with nothing.